Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the Honda XL500 build. As the client requested, we're gonna swap out the front fork with one from an R6, and there it is. It's of course it's a second-hand used part. We got the top yoke with it as well, which we're gonna modify. Yeah, so we're gonna start cracking and see what type of bearings we need to buy to make it all fit, and what we need to press the steering stem, etc, etc. So yeah, let's get to it. So now we have got the two forks. This is of course the new one, this is the old one. And since we want to make this fit in the frame, I already measured the neck. The neck is 18 centimeters or 180 millimeters. And that would be able to use this steering stem. Only difference is that, if I clean this up, over here is but 26, and over here I already measured it, but it's 30. Would then be if we can make this steering stem fit in that lower yoke. Yeah, what's it called actually? Triple tree. Or we switch out the bearings with bearings that would actually fit into the frame. But then we need to do some Googling and see if we can find a different model that has that type of neck and bearing capacity, and see if we can make that fit, because that would be the easiest way of doing it. So yeah, let's get onto the internet and try and find something that we can use. And of course, the same counts for the front axle. This one is 15 millimeters inwards, and this one is a whopping 22. That's quite big. So yeah, hopefully we can find a bearing for that that's safe to use. If not, then we have to switch out the front hub or try and find something else and a different solution on doing it. So I ordered the bearings. They're high-speed bearings, and they are from a different model motorcycle. And the bearings for the neck are strange special bearings, but they will fit and they will work. So for now, we're just gonna put in the front end in a dry position without bearings to see how the bike's stance is, and we're gonna 3D scan the rear section to make a nice 3D printed flat track seat, and that will fit with the gas tank. And I said I was gonna 3D scan the rear section, but since it's actually such a basic shape, I'm just gonna reconstruct it in Fusion and design a nice seat. the design I came up with. As you can see, it's a two-piece body. Um, one side has the positive snaps on it, and the other one has the negative snaps. So I'll be able to snap it together as one piece since it's actually too big to print all at once. But this should not be a problem, and if I do need to use a little bit of glue, that's okay. As you can see, I got it quite near to the actual design. It's underlaid a little bit more. That's the line of the original design, and I moved it downwards a little bit more since the tube was sticking out underneath it a little bit, which mm, I might actually change on the frame. But nevertheless, this is what it's going to be, and you can hear it's already printing. So let's hope all goes well in the next 2 days or so, since it's taking that long. And that will be it for this part. I'm taking a little bit of a small break, and we'll be back in 3 days.